Hello friends, welcome you all on your PD education. So friends, today's update is basically from the Institute CSIR, National Institute of Interdisciplinary Science and Technology. Okay, so as you know that we daily provide at 7 p.m. a new update. Okay, that update may be related for experienced candidates or without experience, fresher candidates, for all branches or for one branch, and apprenticeship is also included in that. Okay, so अगर अभी तक आपने योर पीडिया चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो जरूर सब्सक्राइब कर दो सो दैट आपको जो डेली अपडेट्स मिलते हैं वो आप मिस ना करो. ओके, सो मंथ में 30 अपडेट मिलना, 30 अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ मिलना, इट इज़ ए वेरी वी कैन से ए गुड न्यूज़ फॉर ऑल ऑफ यू. एंड दीज बेसिकली अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ आर रिलेटेड टू टेक्नोक्रेट्स ओनली, इंजीनियरिंग के कैंडिडेट्स के रिलेटेड. ओके, तो आपको पहला चैनल मिलेगा यूट्यूब के ऊपर जो टेक्निकल ही ओनली अपडेट करता है. हम ओनली कोई और अपडेट आपको नहीं देते हैं, ओनली टेक्निकल जो बीटेक डिप्लोमा से रिलेटेड होते हैं. ओके, सो उसी से रिलेटेड ये आज है, स्टार्ट करते हैं. एंड चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लो, बेल आइकन भी दबा लेना. एंड न्यूज़ यहाँ पे देखो, आप जाके आपको फर्स्ट न्यूज़ मिल जाएगी. Number of vacancy यहाँ पे are less, but these vacancies are, we can say, can be important opportunity for you. Okay, if you are basically experienced in that field or as per the requirements, if you want to go on that field, then these can be basically, we can say, good opportunities. So online applications are available from 18/5 and closing days is 24/5, so very less time is there. And there is basically post of project assistantship, project associate 2, project associate 1. Number of vacancies are 1. Monthly stipend 35,000 plus 16% HRA with for who possess valid CSIR UGC net score. Okay, age limit is given here. And similarly here you can see for field assistantship 1 vacancy is there, and diploma in mechanical or chemical engineering with work experience in wastewater is requirement. And this remuneration is 20,000 only, and plus 16,000 HRA. Similarly for BTech food technology engineering, food processing, desirable experience in biodegradable plastic. Okay, project associate 1. Similarly for BTech in metallurgy, again basically project associate 2. Now age relaxation rules are given here. And this mode of selection is candidate will be called for online interview. So interview based is there for online interview. Okay, and the date and time for online interview will be notified on the website only. Now here you can see eligible candidates are required to apply online through CSIR this website. Okay, no other mode of application is accepted. Now here you can see these are the basically, we can say, requirements. And if you are interested in this, okay, if you are interested in then please go for this. This is very good opportunity. So if you are from that the region only, then it is very good opportunity for all of you. So I think you can just go for this. Now if you want to apply, okay, if you want to apply, then you can just click here and you can apply. So thank you very much friend, and keep watching your PD education. We will upload more interesting videos related to this also. So thank you very much.